Hello everyone, so for this video I'll be unboxing this HyperX Fury 8GB DDR4 2400 MHz speed RAM. So I have two of these 8GB sticks, but they are not packaged together as 2x8. It's just basically ordering two items for the same product. So looking at the markings on the box, nothing special here to see. Opening up the box to take out the stick itself. As you can see, just some included papers or references for the item. Let's put aside the box for now. We have here the warranty and installation guide. Not gonna be needing that basically. A piece of random paper and this HyperX sticker. So going into the RAM stick itself, as you can see, this is the one with the red colored heatsink or heatsink cover with the HyperX and Fury branding on this side, DDR4 as well. On the back side we have the specs as well as the warranty sticker, I guess. Up on top again we have the HyperX branding. Nothing basically on the sides. So that's it for this unboxing video of this RAM stick. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.